want her touching me.
She has to search you. She's
I
female.
don't want her
It
to
don't matter what
touch
you
me.
want.
Bro.
No, female.
Okay, that's battery. She just wanted five. Yes, it is. That's it. You just need me right in the chest.
I don't.
That's it.
No.
Here you are.
On October 6th, 2024, a Florida agency responded to a domestic disturbance involving a couple with mutual children. The arrest that followed illustrates how Florida's mandatory arrest framework removes both officer and victim discretion.
Everything is fine. I just want my stuff off of my boyfriend, and I want to go about my day. He's in there. Go ask him. He's the one who wanted to call you.
Hi. Say your name one more time, this.
Not Quasia.
Quasia.
Yes, not Quasia.
What did you say his name was? Ponte.
I'm the one that called.
What did you see?
The gentleman is inside. The one that there was an altercation. Inside the two were beating each other. They were yelling, screaming in the restaurant. Basically, it was just an altercation. The lady, the way I hear it, she wanted the shoes off. That's all I heard. But there was a domestic. Basically, they were hitting each other. When there's kids involved, that's why I called.
You're good. What?
No, you're good. What started it? You said the shoes?
Yes, apparently the shoes.
Okay, and who is the one wanting the shoes off? Or
Her.
she wanted to take
Yes.
her shoes off?
Yes.
Okay, and he became aggressive,
Yes.
or she was
They
aggressive?
both were aggressive.
Okay, let me go talk with him. If you're,
He's on the counter. But yes, that was the call because my manager told me to call.
oh, you did the right thing. Nikisha, I'm never gonna have to get your information on this. So, do you have your license with you?
No.
Huh?
No.
All right, spell your first name again.
It's NYQUASIA.
Yeah.
Yes.
He wants to talk to me. Did you witness anything?
No, I'm her mom.
He's not with him.
I was on the phone and she called me. Then the phone fell, and I called her back, and she said she was here.
Okay. Tell me what's going on.
She got mad about the clothes, I got out. She told me to take the shoes off. Said I'm not taking my shoes off. What am I taking my shoes off for?
Okay.
And we was in the room. She got mad. Whatever. She told me. She said, "Get your shit. Get the f out." So I put on my clothes and I walked out. I walked over here so I could be able to call my grandma, call somebody to be able to come get me. Cause I ain't got no ride. I'm out here stranded. So I tried to call somebody. As soon as I was calling somebody, she walked in, all in my face. Who the f you calling? Get God, hang up the phone right now. Another, I'm like, I'm on the phone with my people, so I can get a ride.
She won't talk to me at all, and I've got to get some type of information from whatever he says. Because if she don't give me nothing, I'm just going to have to go by whatever they say. And I'm not going to have her side, so it could go against her, not having her
Nothing.
side.
I just told him to get out the room and take off my stuff.
Get out of the room and take off your stuff. So what did he have on that was yours?
Everything he has on is mine. Basically,
His clothes and okay.
they're in a relationship. That's her kid's father. She paid for his outfit. They're having an argument, so she told him to give it back, which I just explained to her that she doesn't have to give it back because it's a gift.
Who is she to you?
That's my girlfriend.
Girlfriend? Whose kids are they?
Mom. One of them is mom.
Wow. Okay. Where were they during this?
Huh?
Where were they during?
They went in. They went here.
Okay. Were they in the room? You have no clue? They were in the room when you left?
Yeah, they was in
With,
I left. Yes,
with
sir.
your mom?
Yes, sir.
Baby mom.
You need to see if you got marked.
Do you have any marks on you or anything? Where you got hit? Did you get hit or anything? On your body? Did you get hit anywhere? Did you say no? Okay. And did you hit him anywhere? Huh? No. Okay.
So then, boom, I was on the phone. So then, boom, I hung up the phone with my grandma because she was hearing all. She wasn't really understanding. There was a lot of shit, a lot of noise going on. So I hung up, and I walk out. She followed me out here. I walk off over there. She pulling on me. She just pulling on my shirt. She hit me a couple times in my face.
What you pulling?
Some of the employees are saying they was having to watch the kids while y'all were fighting.
Nobody watched my kids.
I'm just
Well,
telling you
it's
what it
cameras
said.
up here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We'll find it.
So what you mean they had to watch? What they mean they had to watch my grandkids?
She talking about her. They didn't watch none of my kids. Just like y'all just pulled up and the officer said, stay right there.
So basically, the
never
kids were
watched
watching y'all having the altercation, the verbal altercation.
Yes, but they never had my kids.
Okay.
I don't even know them, so why would I have them even watching my kids? They was standing outside watching me and him. They was never watching.
So this happened inside or outside?
No, outside right here.
It happened right here.
Yeah, my room was right there, still with
Okay.
the door open.
So it happened in the parking lot. You want to talk to him? Yeah. How long y'all been together?
Shit, for a couple years, probably about 4 years now, 4 5 years.
Any previous issues?
Like this?
Yeah.
No,
No.
not really. No, hell no. No, sir.
Did you see who hit who first?
The woman hit him first, and then after she hit him, he hit her.
Where did he hit her?
The face.
Where'd she hit him?
Face.
Like, was it a punch? Were
Yeah,
they slapped?
like a punch, like on the
They were
side.
punching
Yeah,
each other?
yeah, really bad.
He didn't swing on her. She
No,
swung
no,
on him.
no,
Did he?
Was he here by himself at first and she chased him over?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know who that baby belongs to? No.
All I know is that the little boy, that's my baby.
Okay.
Like, that's personally mine.
Okay. What do you want done?
I mean, I don't want nothing done. I just want her to get away from me and stop putting her hands on me.
Right.
Because clearly, I ain't touched the girl, I ain't did nothing. If I'm sitting here talking to you calmly, I ain't did nothing wrong. I was just trying to walk away, to walk off, at least walk, because I couldn't tell my grandma to come get me, so I was trying to walk off. She pulling on my shirt. You got anybody that was looking through right there on that side. She was right there pulling on me, hitting me all in my face multiple times. I not once touched her, pulled her, grabbed her, anything like that.
Okay. So how many kids you got?
4.
4?
Yeah, I just have.
Let's just go back to the car for now.
I'm trying to find my keys.
Your keys?
Yeah, because I don't know if you have them.
Well, we can do that, but we can't do that right now. So let's go back to the car for right now, okay? Wait till we get this done, then we'll go from there.
Motherfucker told me to leave. I was just leaving exactly like they told me to do.
Right.
I ain't nothing wrong with nobody.
Yeah, right. Why you call me?
I couldn't. She the one had the phone. When I tried to call.
You didn't hit her. She didn't hit you, right?
She hit me. I didn't touch her. I'm not tripping on her.
Under Florida Statute Section 741.29, subsection 4, the decision to arrest shall not require the consent of the alleged victim. The legislature deliberately stripped that power to neutralize predictable pressure on victims from abusers and family members. Battery itself, under Section 784.03, requires only intentional touching against the will of another. No injury is required. A pull on a shirt or a single slap independently satisfies the element. Where mutual combat is alleged, officers apply the primary aggressor analysis, weighing history, severity of injuries, fear, and independent evidence of who initiated physical contact. A neutral civilian witness is the strongest factor because it eliminates the credibility tie. Prosecution authority then transfers under Section 741.2901. The state attorney, not the alleged victim, controls every charging decision afterward. The Fourth Amendment governs the search that follows. Under United States v. Robinson, a search incident to lawful custodial arrest is reasonable per se. Consent is irrelevant.
The server in there corroborated his story. He's in here minding his own business. She came in here and started hitting on him first.
So go help her out.
Yeah.
Things looking up for you. Things looking up for you.
So I'm talking to fellow over there.
I didn't say I was trying to press charges.
It's domestic. Domestic, the state takes over prosecution. The state takes over the prosecution, and she's got to go for tonight. So there's no choice. We've got to search you.
I don't want her touching me.
She has to search you. She's
I
female.
don't want her
It don't
to
matter what
touch
you
me.
want.
Bro.
No, it's female.
Okay, that's battery. She just wanted to Yes, it is. That's it. You just need me right in the chest.
I don't. I'm
That's
not.
it.
No.
Here you are.
Hey, stop.
I want you to
In the
get.
car.
I am. If you get the away from me.
Hey.
You telling me to stop?
Here's-
I have a freedom of speech. I can say what I want to
I'm gonna
say.
tell you.
Okay,
If you
excuse me.
interfere- Time out.
I'm trying to
You
make
wanna-
sure
you
she's
wanna film?
okay.
I asked her to go past the parking stop.
I don't.
Please get in the car.
Why?
car, we're
I
gonna
do
push you in the
not
car.
want to.
If you make this a worse situation or impede their investigation, then you could be arrested.
I'm not
So listen.
doing that. I work for a lawyer. I know my rights.
Listen
I'm not impeding an investigation.
Talk.
I'm standing right here. How am I interfering with the investigation?
Well, when you start walking over to them and
I
they
didn't
have
walk
her
over
in
there to
custody,
them. I didn't walk over
I
there.
saw it.
Go ahead.
No,
Look, you're gonna end up costing your mama to get in trouble. There you go. There you go.
Listen, I'm not going to argue with you,
Thank you.
but
Thank you.
what
'Cause
I
I'm
am going
not.
to tell you
I'm not-
is we don't need any
But
more.
why is she crying like that?
He attacked me first.
That's not what they're being said. Scoot your butt over, please.
I don't want to. I don't want.
Can you just let me talk to my daughter to have her calm down? Just let me talk to her so she
This-
can calm down.
If I saw you calm and staying calm,
Okay, I'm
then
calm.
that would be a good situation.
I'm calm. Sergeant, I'm calm. Let me talk to her to calm her down. That's all I'm asking. She's already going to jail. I'm upset.
I can't talk to her before I go.
If both of y'all calm down, I may think about it.
I am calm. I do not want to go.
Make sure this.
We need to make sure you have the kids' information.
Yes.
And is she okay with mom? Is she okay with mom taking the kids?
Ah, I didn't ask that. Let me do it from inside.
Yeah.
Can you get her cell phone for me? I need her phone. Can you please get her cell phone for me?
Well, now we want something. We're gonna be nice.
Hey, ma'am.
I don't want to go.
Listen to me.
here.
Listen to me. I need you to. I need you to answer a very important question. Okay?
What?
Are you okay with your kids going with your mama?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Hey, Sarge. Sarge, she's good with the kids going with her mama.
One more question. Does she want her cell phone to go to her mom?
Okay. One more important question. Do you want your cell phone to go to your mama? I need you to answer for me. I'm trying to be nice.
I asked you, can I talk to her?
And we can't because y'all are both riled up.
I'm not.
So answer my question. Do you want your phone to go to her? Your kids are going there.
Talk to her before I go.
Yes or no? Tell me yes or no.
Can you let me talk to her?
Tell me yes or no.
Why?
Because y'all were too rowdy together. So tell me yes or no. Can she have your phone?
I'm not.
I'm gonna say no, and your phone will stay here then.
No, and I did.
No, you didn't.
Mom!
Please talk.
I got the camera.
Hey, Clay.
I want my mom!
Can you listen to me for a second? Clay, can you listen to me for a second?
I don't want to go.
I hear you. But what is done is done. Clay. Don't make this situation worse, okay? You got some
I
kids.
just talked to her.
Listen, Clay. Can you make me a promise? Can you calm down? Can you calm down?
Yeah.
I will let your mom talk to you, but I need you to calm down and I need you to stay calm down. Because listen, I'm a parent, you're a parent, right?
Yeah.
That's your number one job. If you make this worse, it's going to be harder on you. And we don't want that. Okay? What's done is done, but don't make this worse. Can you hear me? Look at me. Do you see that? I'm being very sincere in this. I don't want things worse for you. Okay? So stay calm. What's done is done. He has no say in it whatsoever. The state takes over the prosecution when it's a domestic related situation.
I will suggest that you are able to talk.
Okay.
But it's up to him, okay?
Yes, sir.
And just whatever that answer is, tell me you'll take it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's his baggage?
You're not gonna. Are you gonna stay calm?
I am. I'm just upset.
All right.
So, grandma or dad said that he wants to take his kid.
No, I don't want him going over there.
But-
No.
If mom doesn't want, mom
Yeah,
wants.
no, that I was
yeah.
just saying that over here.
I'll
I didn't
fix
know what
that.
the situation was. That's all I'm
probably-
saying.
We won't keep that or change that.
Okay.
Your mom will. So, we calm? We're gonna stay this way?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, then you get it because I don't want to.
I'm good with letting.
The situation
Mom talk?
anymore.
Yeah,
Yeah, as long as.
They keep it cordial.
You good with you get out of this so it doesn't amp up again?
Yeah.
As they do?
Wait, are you checked out this room? Where's all your stuff?
In the car.
Where's your phone?
Right here.
Huh?
Right here.
Can you give them your phone? You're gonna have to wait to go to court for me to get you out, but you can't kick that car and make it worse. Because they're not gonna give you no bond. The bond man, he will rebond you out. He will rebond you out, but you have to be calm. You cannot kick the car. You can't do none of that, okay?
So,
They taking him?
she is going.
I'm saying my son. They taking him?
Yes, because when in these situations, unless there's a written rule by a judge, mom will have the say. So mom is going, or kids are going with her mom. If
But the rest of them ain't got nothing to do with me.
I know,
My
I
son.
know.
I can't take my son.
because it's a mutual son between you and mom,
Yeah.
and ultimately she'll have say over where. That's the way the state of Florida is. She has say over where the kids go.
14 out of 10, 15, one female.
I love you. Love you.
The First Amendment, in turn, governs bystander conduct. City of Houston versus Hill protects verbal criticism of police, but does not protect physical movement toward an active arrest or interference with the investigation. The legal line is content versus conduct, not volume versus calm. 5 lessons emerge from this incident. First, an alleged victim's preference does not control the arrest decision in any mandatory arrest jurisdiction. Saying, "I don't want to press charges," has no legal effect on whether officers must arrest. Second, the Fifth Amendment right to silence is the single most valuable protection available to anyone under investigation. On-scene admissions are devastating and almost never recoverable at trial. Third, an independent witness almost always determines the primary aggressor outcome, breaking the he said, she said deadlock these cases otherwise present. Fourth, separation in time and space is the only reliable safeguard. Once police are called, the legal machinery proceeds independent of reconciliation between the parties. Fifth, parental conduct during arrest directly affects custody. Documenting custodial consent on camera, as occurred here, protects children and the record alike. For officers, the operational takeaways are clear. Separate parties immediately. Ask open-ended questions. Distinguish protected speech from obstructive conduct. Brief, calm explanations during a search reduce complaints without compromising it. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.